students, I welcome you all to my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi with the same topic ratio and proportion, but we will be discussing different type of problem, that is the number based. So this is the part 4 for the number based problem. Okay, so let's start with the first problem here. Ratio of two number is 11:7. What should be added in each term? So we can write the ratio in the fraction form. We all know that. So 11x upon 7x. This is the ratio given to us. We have to add something into this. Let's consider a we have added here. Same thing we are adding. So the new ratio is 4:3. जो नया result मिल रहा है वो 4:3 बन जा रहा है. Now we can take the help of cross multiplication method. So this gives me 33x plus 3a is equals to 28x plus 4a. When I transfer this gives me a to one side and 28, this goes to the other side. This gives me 5x. That means if I substitute the value here, 11x plus a, that means 5x, and 7x plus a, that means again 5x. So this gives me 16x upon 12x. Both of them are divisible by 4 and x is also common. So 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12. Look, exact same answer I'm getting. Same question can be done. This is the basic method, of course. We can do it by the shortcut way also. We all know if we are doing some changes in the ratio value, adding something or subtracting something, it is still having the same difference. You can see 11 और 7 में कितने का difference है? 7 plus 4 gives us 11 or 11 minus 4 gives me 7. So the difference is of 4. 16 or 12 may be 4 का ही difference. Not in 4 and 3. 4 and 3 is the reduced form of 16 upon 12. So whatever the given values, original values are there or original ratio is there, जो difference उसमें है वही न्यू रेशियो में भी होना चाहिए. This concept we have already seen before because this concept is really very much important in ratio. With the help of this concept, we will be able to simplify multiple problems, especially age-based question. So you always have to keep remember the difference has to be same. So originally the ratio is 11:4, original ratio. After adding something, I don't know what I have added, but I have added something. Let's say a has been added. The new ratio is 4:3. Now let us quickly check the difference here. So the difference is of 1. What is the difference here? Here it is 4. Let us make the difference same at both the places. So here I will be multiplying by 4. Why? Because 1 को 4 banana is much easier. Here it is not needed to multiply, but still I am multiplying it by 1. So 11 multiplied by 1 is 11. 7 ones are 7. Still the difference is 4 here. What will be the difference here? 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. And the difference is 4 here also. Now 11 से 16 पे जाने के लिए how many steps you are going? That gives you the value of A. So 11 to 16, the difference is of 16 minus 11, that is 5. So this is going to give you the value for A. Same thing, 7 to 12, the difference is of 5 again. So value for A, the number which should be added to 11:7, that is 5. Here also we got the same answer. A की value 5 ही आ रही है. X is 1 because original ratio was 11:7 only. After adding 5 into this, we are getting 4:3. So this concept you always have to keep remember. Difference should be same. Difference should be same. Doesn't matter while adding, while we are doing addition or subtraction. So in both the cases, by keeping this concept, remember, we can simplify any of the question by the shorter method. Even if you don't write this much also, then also it's too faster calculation. But for that, you need to practice a lot. Okay. Let us look to the another example. What number should be added or subtracted? Either we have to do addition or subtraction to the ratio 17:24. Okay. 17:24. I don't know whether I'm going to do the addition or subtraction. The value for A is of course going to be negative if we are doing subtraction, or it will be positive if we are doing addition. So this is the original ratio. After doing addition subtraction, each term of the ratio so that it becomes equal to 1:2. The new ratio becomes 1:2. So here the difference is of 1, here the difference is of 7. Let's make this also 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Now 17 to 7. How many steps we have moved? 10 steps. 24 to 14 also 10 steps we have moved. But we are reducing it. Look, 17 was the big number. After reducing, after subtracting 10 from 17, we are getting 7. That means we have to do the subtraction of 10, or we can say a value is minus 10. So या तो आप a की value minus 10 लिख दो, or you can write subtraction of 10 we will be doing, not addition. We will not be doing addition. So in 17 is to 24, we will be doing the subtraction of 10 to get the new ratio 1:2. Next example is two numbers are in the ratio of 3:5. Okay, this is the old ratio. If 9 is subtracted from each term, then they are in the ratio 12:23. This time the new ratio is also given, old ratio is given, and 9 we are subtracting. We have to find out the smaller number. Numbers needs to be found. So in दोनों में से of course smaller one is this one. So 3 में मैं किसका multiply करूँ? For that I have to balance everything. The difference should be same. After moving from the original ratio first value, new ratio's first value should have the difference of 9. Everything I have to check now. 3 to 5 I have the difference of 2, and 12 to 23 the difference is of 11. So I can see the difference is not same. That means I have to make it same. For that, to this side original ratio I will be multiplying it by 11, and to the new one I will be multiplying it by 2, because the LCM of 2 and 11 is 22. So 2 multiplied by 11 is 22, both the places I am getting. 11 multiplied by 3, 33 and 55. After doing the subtraction of 9, I am getting the new ratio 24:46. Okay. Now quickly we will be checking whether the difference is of 9 between 33 and 24 and 55 and 46 or not. Both the places the difference should be 9. Then only this is the accurate answer. And yes, the difference is of 9 only. 33 minus 24, 55 minus 46, we get 9. That means originally the numbers were 33 and 55. Before reducing it, original numbers were 33 and 55. Subtraction of 9 we have done, and the new terms we got it as 24 and 46. After reducing those 24 and 46, we are getting it as 12 to 23. 12:23. So the smaller number is 33. I hope it's easy to understand rather than doing it by the longer way. I'll show you the longer method also for this. 3x and 5x are the numbers. After doing addition of 9, we are getting 12:23. These are the practical based problem. A mixture is there of milk and water. 9 liter of water has been added, or 9 liter of milk has been added more. Now the mixture quantity has increased, but the ratio of milk and water has changed. Of course, ज़्यादा हमने water मिला दिया या ज़्यादा milk मिला दिया, so it will affect the ratio. So that practical based example also will be looking. But before that, let's simplify this. So 23 multiplied by 3, you can take the help of cross multiplication by the basic method, and you will be of course getting the same answer, but with lot of time. You have to put lot of efforts. But for this, you can do it in 3 steps only. And for that, you have to practice a lot. Now, for these 2 questions, you have to give your answer in the comment box.